Hello viewers, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to know your Gmail account password if you forgot. Now I'm showing you very simple method step by step, so follow my all process very carefully. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's get started. Look at this, my email account. When I'm enter my password, then shown here to this is a wrong password, so don't worry. So open up Play Store. Look at the right corner, tap onto profile icon. Go to the Google account, click on here. Swipe left to right side, go to your security option. Scroll down. After that, click on manage password option. Select the Google, and now shown here your all Google account, and this is my email. Click on to eye icon, then shown here your password. This is your Gmail account and password. So that's how you can know your Gmail account password if you forgot. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial rebirth channel for more videos.